Spaghetti alle vongole is one of the most popular dishes in Italy. When you go to a restaurant, it's almost impossible not to order it. This fantastic plate is light, fresh, and full of flour. For us, it's the true taste of summer. To prepare spaghetti alle vongole, you'll need fresh clams, extra virgin olive oil, of course, spaghetti, good white wine, garlic, salt, black pepper, chili flakes, and fresh parsley. Let's start cooking. Beat the clams in the sink. The healthy ones will remain closed. Those containing sand will open. Rinse the clams well and place them in a colander. Fill a bowl with water and a handful of coarse salt and leave the clams soak for 1 hour. Cook the clams. Heat olive oil to taste in a pan. Add garlic cloves and parsley stalks. Add the clams and cover with the lid. Shake the pan well to open all the clams. Add a little white wine. Transfer the clams to a bowl. I prefer to remove the clams from the shells and leave some for the finishing touch. Cook spaghetti in salted boiling water. When the spaghetti is half cooked, drain them in the clam pot. When the spaghetti is cooked, add the clams. Finely chop the parsley and add to spaghetti. Chili to taste. Sauté to mix. Salty sea breeze, garlic, parsley, perfection. If you love authentic Italian flavors, don't forget to subscribe and join us for more recipes straight from our kitchen to yours.